Student. Today I will talk about on the topic the rat trap, which was written by Selma Lagerlöf. In this story, there is a discussion about the rat trap, where a man who is a peddler. He has a pessimistic attitude towards the world. The peddler has not always been like this and was a fine man before. However, due to misfortune, he now resorts to selling rat traps, begging, and even stealing to survive. Moreover, he also views the world as a big rat trap. He believes that much is similar to the cheese we put for mice. The world offers us materialistic things to lure us. So when we fall for these things, it traps us and takes everything away from us. In this story, a young man, generous woman, takes in the rat trap seller. Thus, the generosity and kindness she shows changes his pessimistic take on seller. Thus, the generosity and kindness she shows changes his pessimistic take on life. This story teaches us about the essential human goodness we all must possess. In this story, a rat trap peddler who is in a rugged condition. He is dressed in rags and is very frail and looks stalled. We learn he has no home and sometimes even begs and stays to survive in the world. He leads a lonely life with no one to care about him. One fine day it strikes to him that this whole world is a rat trap itself. If we touch it, it will trap us and never let us go. He goes on to think that there are people out there who are already in this rat trap and reaching for the bait. On one cold evening, he reaches at a cottage to ask for shelter. An old crofter lived in that cottage who took in the peddler. The crofter needed company, so he becomes the peddler. He gives him hot food and even tobacco to smoke. They play cards and start talking. The peddler learns that the crofter got 30 kroner for selling his cow, which he keeps in a pouch on the window frame. The peddler leaves the next day. But after seeing the crofter leave his cottage, he comes back to steal the pouch of money. After stealing it, he takes the wood to remain unsuspected. In the wood, the peddler meets an iron master who mistakes him to be his old comrade. He invites him over for Christmas, but he refuses. After that, the Iron Master's daughter, Idla, visits him and insists him to stay with him. In between, he feels sorry for stealing the crofter's money. They help the peddler get a makeover and dress him in nice clothes and shave his beard off. After this, the Iron Master realizes he has made a mistake. The peddler was not his comrade. Thus, the Iron Master thinks he is a fraud and decides to turn him in. However, Edla insists on letting him stay and celebrate Christmas with them. Her father agrees and they celebrate Christmas together. Next day, the Iron Master and Edla learn that the peddler was a thief through the church about the incident at the old crafters. They head home in a hurry, thinking he must have stolen all the silver. However, to their surprise, the peddler did not steal a thing. He left a note for Edla in the form a tiny rat trap. There was also a note thanking her for her kindness, which saved him from the rat trap he got caught in. Most importantly, he also left the crofter's money, asking to return it to him. The rat trap summary we learn about that we can change the world through kindness and compassion. In addition, it teaches us that materialistic things never brings inner joy, only love and respect. Dutch. Students are advised to do NCERT question and extract based question along with summary. Thank you.